As a lot of viewers and subscribers of this channel are American, we should really be doing something for Thanksgiving. And no, I'm not giving you an excuse to fly roundhouse kick somebody your grandparents' age over a widescreen TV on Black Friday, as it's not the last lifeboat on the Titanic. Firstly, we're going to be making an ingredient for our cocktail. This is our spiced pumpkin cream. It just needs a couple of ingredients: pumpkin spice, pumpkin puree, double cream and cinnamon syrup. If you don't have this, you can always use simple syrup. Pumpkin is not really used that often in the UK. You'll see it at Halloween, and you'll sometimes find it in Indian cuisine like curries, and you'll see it in soups, etc. There's more that kind of thing that vegan aunt you hated visiting when growing up used to serve you. I can promise you this cream is going to be really good. Right, let's kick this off by adding 3 teaspoons of our pumpkin spice to our pan. And just don't go overboard in this or it tastes like spiced sand. Then add 3 generous tablespoons of our pumpkin puree. Add a teaspoon of our syrup to loosen this up a bit and give this a good stir. Then we want to add 300 ml, that's around 10 ounces of double cream, and work this in and get it incorporated. Just don't let it burn and let the mixture infuse steadily. Then you want to funnel this into a bottle or just pour it into a jug and transfer this to the fridge. I had to add this to a bottle later, which I conveniently forgot to record. Okay, it's time for the main event. We've got vodka, colour and our spiced pumpkin cream. To our shaker add 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of vodka. Then add 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of colour. Add ice and shake for 10 to 15 seconds. To be honest with you, I couldn't really find who created this cocktail. We'll just say loads of people on the internet because there's no definite history on this one. Add a big ice cube to a rocks glass. Then double strain. Then float over the back of a spoon our spiced pumpkin cream. I did a test batch earlier and it works much better poured from a bottle than a jigger, and just make sure you take your time and don't rush things. The taste test. White Russians are always a crowd pleaser, and I like the spiced cream, it makes it more unique. But anyway, make sure you have a great time if you celebrate and just try to behave yourselves. No family arguments or no riots and shops.